Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ijoma and I'm also known as the KGC boss. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to edit any PDF. Okay, so maybe you've gotten that work essay or you've gotten something on PDF and you want to edit, you've found some mistakes, you just want to make some corrections or you want to add to a design that was sent to you on PDF format. So in today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to do this. Me to do this. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button, hit on that notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload videos on this channel. Help me grow, okay, by subscribing to my channel. Let's try to hit 500. That's the first goal. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers on this channel. So help me with your contributions of a subscription. So I'm going to wait for some seconds so you do that, okay? Now, I know you've done that. That's great. Thank you so much for supporting this brand. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. So I'll be teaching you the easiest way to edit any PDF on your phone or on your desktop. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So I'm on my desktop now. All right. So we're going to be working with Canva here. So if you are new to Canva, all you need to do is just go to canva.com and sign up. Okay. So when you sign up, you have access to the Canva dashboard. So now on Canva, you just need to click on create a design. When you click on create a design, all right, just go down. You see import file, click on import file. All right, and you import your file. So if it's from your system, so import a file that you're going to edit. So if you have any file that you want to edit, when you click on import file, you have access to the PDF. All right, you click on it, you click on open, and you have access to it. Then you see it up there, just click on view and it takes you to the exact PDF that you are importing. All right, so you click on it, and when you click on it, it takes you to the page on Canva. All right, so you can edit. Now, this is a document I want to edit. I want to make corrections on this document. Okay, so I'll just need to zoom in. So now that I've zoomed in, I can make the corrections I want to make. So I'm going to edit. Let me pick something and edit for the sake of this video. Okay, all right, I'll just make corrections here. Good. I'll want to edit this. All right, let me edit this. So I'm going to have to delete and edit. So I'll just need to type in everything that is supposed to be here again as a form of making correction for the sake of this video. Now that's the correction that I've made. So I'm going to move, I'm going to also do this in the other pages of this document. Okay, so I'll just have to duplicate and move to the next page. Okay, now that I've done this, okay, if you want to keep making this correction to the other pages of your document, it all depends on you and the type of correction you want to with your PDF. Okay, so this is simply how it's done. Then you can go on to save your document and you're good to go. So I'm going to go on to show you another way to import documents into Canva for edits. Okay, so now I'm going to pick on a new page. So let me see. Okay, let me open this document now. All right. So on this page, this is another PDF document. It has multiple documents in this PDF. So if, for example, you want to add another PDF document to this PDF that already has multiple documents. You're going to pick up a new page, all right, then click on downloads. On downloads, you click on upload files. So you pick the PDF file that you want to upload, okay, into your system. So now that we've picked it, if you look down here, you can see it's uploaded there, okay. So you're going to click on projects. Click on projects. Now that's what we just uploaded, okay. So you click on it and it comes straight on the page that you picked out. So you can make any corrections and you can add that to the documents in that PDF, okay. So that's another way to get your documents into Canva and edit, okay, the easy way. So this is the simple way to edit your PDF document using the Canva app. And please take note that everything we've done here with the desktop are things that you can also do with your smartphone. Go to Canva on your smartphone, click on the plus sign, click on the upload sign, pick your PDF document, click on view, and that's the document. Click on it, and your document comes up, all right? So this document that I'm using now has 2 pages. All right. So you can have documents with multiple pages. All you need to do just go on, highlight and do your edits. Okay. Do your corrections and all of that, and you're good to go. I hope you gained value from today's video. I hope you learned something. Click on the like button so this video can reach people that are also interested in videos like this. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for before you join the family? Hit on the subscribe button, hit on that notification bell so you won't miss out anytime I upload videos like this. So until next time, stay blessed. Bye.